Fine, come on. Say, what do you want to do today?
Not really much anything because it's cold and windy outside. I'm just going to stay in the house.
That's what you want to do?
Sit on my tail.
What do you like to do? What's your favorite food?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Love ice cream.
What's your favorite store?
Barnes and Noble.
You've never been there, though.
Oh, I'll go there.
Okay, say. Is there anything else?
Something.
What's your favorite kibble brand?
Pedigree.
Pedigree?
Yeah.
What's your favorite type of bone?
Peanut butter bone.
Peanut butter?
Peanut butter bone.
What kind of treats do you have today?
Had all-day soccer.
Had an all-day soccer?
Mm-hmm.
Did you steal that from me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cute boy. Is there anything else, say?
No.
Okay.